Are you looking for a home really stands out? This luxury residence is tailor-made for the buyer who wants nothing but the best. Welcome to 28 Dunoon Street, Doncaster. It's Luna and Ripple from McGrath Box Hill. With 42 square space, low maintenance landscaped garden, 3 generous living zones, this can easily for multi-generations family. It's designed for comfort and style. Is conveniently located walking distance to Doncaster Secondary School and Westfield Shopping Centre. Easy access bus to the city and freeway. If you're looking to elevate your living experience, this is the one for you. We're looking forward to see you at our opens.